Hello and welcome to another quick video from me. This is Jay. I'm a coding tutor. So a common thing that happens with new learners, which is what I'm all about, is how would you go about creating your own HTML starter project? Now, when it comes to a HTML, that's my website if you want to visit and stuff like that, and that's my Discord if you want to join. So what really happens is, normally what I say to folks is, if you are trying to practice for the first time, I tell people, you know what, just go to codepen.io and then start creating a new pen and then just start practicing like that. That's okay. But what if you don't want to use CodePen, or you're already using CodePen, you like it, but now you want to start writing the code directly on your computer because CodePen is obviously online. So how would you go about creating your own HTML starter? So the first thing is, of course, you have to learn how to create a new folder. So go ahead, new folder. I'm going to call this HTML starter. There we go. So first step, go ahead, create a new folder. Second step, open this folder in VS Code. There we go. Okay, now when you talk about HTML starter, you have to create three files. First step is to go ahead, create a folder, and then the second step is for you to open the folder in VS Code. Now I know I'm going too deep into these steps, but then again, this channel and my tutoring is all about the very first time coders, and you'll be surprised how difficult first time coders will find to do these simple steps. Now next, you need to create three files. Okay, three files are HTML file, and then a CSS file, and a JavaScript file. So three files need to be created. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to right click here on the gray area. I'll create a file called index.html. Right click again, create a new file. Let's call it style.css. You can give whatever name you want, but I'm gonna go with this name. And then finally script.js. Now normally, ideally, I have an AI here, so I can simply ask AI HTML boilerplate, and hopefully the AI might just give that code to me. Yeah, there you go. So I'm letting the AI type the code for me. So if you're not using AI, then you can just copy paste this code from anywhere on the internet. So first step is you want to put some basic HTML. Let's see how that looks. I'm using an extension called Live Preview. Okay, you can see here it's an extension called Live Preview. That's what I'm using. So make sure you have that extension already installed on your computer. Okay, so just go ahead, click this small tiny button. What I've mentioned many times in my videos, everything in coding is small tiny buttons. You just have to get used to it. So there we go. It looks nice. Okay, so the index.html file is good. So the first file, okay, HTML file ready. Next, I want some basic CSS. So once again, I will take the help of some AI. I have the AI. I have the AI ChatGPT AI on my computer, so it will write the code for me. So again, basic background color CSS. So I'm going to turn this into a comment, and then let me see if the AI can help me. Oh, there you go. So I just want to make I think the AI just gave up on me. No, it's not helping me. So let me try that again. So let's go ahead and delete all this. There we go. Okay, so I just want to change the background color. Okay, so now you can see that the background color hasn't changed because, well, the problem is, it hasn't been linked. Okay, so how do you link something? So go ahead here, and you want to go ahead and write the code to link. Okay, hold on. So once again, I'm going to take the help from AI, link style sheet. There you go. So now all I have to do is use that link option, and then I'm able to link the file. Now you can see here the style sheet is working. So that's the second step. So create your style sheet, do whatever you want, like check the background color just to make sure it's working, and then link it like this. So that's the second file that is ready. Okay, so there you go. So CSS file, also called a style sheet, right? Style sheet is ready. Now the third file is going to be the JavaScript file. So I'll go ahead, and here I'm going to just say, again, I'm going to ask the IDE a simple hello world console log. There you go. So now if I open this output in Firefox, which is what I recommend for coding purposes, click here on the top right corner, go to more tools, go to web developer tools, go to console. It's not there yet. I think the reason is simple. We haven't linked the script file. So once again, now remember, whatever files you create, you have to link them. Okay, if you don't link them, they're not going to work. So once again, I'm going to take the help from AI, link. Oh, what happened? Oh, I don't know, some shortcut got connected, sorry. So I'll link script file. Okay, once again, I'm gonna ask the AI to write the code for me, and there it is, script.js. So if I go back to Firefox, there it is, hello world. Let me try something else. I'm gonna say hello Batman console log, you know. So I'm gonna say, there you go. So again, if I check my Firefox, there it is, hello world, hello Batman. So that's all there is to it. So that's the script file. Ready. You know, the most important thing you need to remember is when you're building your HTML starter, just remember to link the extra two files to index.html. This is the thing which a lot of first-time learners forget. You know, they write the three files, but then you're not getting the output, and there you go. So to summarize, you know, the easiest way to build your HTML starter project is, first step, create a new folder, and then open the folder in VS Code. There you have to create three files, HTML, CSS, and JS file. And first step, then create the HTML file, create the style sheet file, create the script file, and finally, don't forget to link them up in your index.html file. And that's all there is to it today. Hopefully this was useful to you, and thank you.